Hey Cadet, it's Ben here. As a sole engineer on the space station, I'll need your help in order to get these tasks fixed so that we can launch other explorers into the vast unknown. Commander V has requested that we give the new composition API a go, so that's what we'll be using together. I'll be here as your guide to assist you since I know this is your first time working with the composition API. Before we get started, you'll need to make sure that you have the following installed on your machine. Git, which you can verify in the terminal with git ---- version, as well as the latest stable version of Node if possible, which at the time of this recording is version 14, and you can check this by running node ---- version. You'll also need to clone or fork this repository that we have here for you. Let's go ahead and pair on this to make sure you have everything you need. I'm in my terminal, and let's start by checking that Git is installed by running git ---- version. As long as you see the version here, you should be good to go. Then we'll also check the Node version with node ---- version. As you can see here, I'm on version 14. Now that we have this, let's go ahead and go over to our browser and check out the repo, which is under github.com/netlify/explorers-composition-API. We'll go ahead and clone this by clicking on the Clone tab and copying the SSH URL and jumping back into our terminal, where I'll go ahead and go inside of my projects directory, and I'm going to go ahead and clone it in here. Now that it's cloned, I'll go ahead and change the directory into our Explorers Composition API project, and then we'll go ahead and run npm install to install all of our dependencies. Now that everything's installed correctly, let's go ahead and start up our local server by running npm run serve. Now, when we visit our localhost 8080 in our browser, we should see our app running as expected. And now that you're up and running, it's time for us to talk about the composition API. See you in the next video.